Hi lovelies. Ooh. Hi lovelies and welcome back to the channel. I have just finished my skincare, you guys, and I shaved my eyebrows. Oh, new nails. I absolutely love them. They look like bridal nails. By the way, all of this was done at home. You guys, this weather is not looking nice at all. Yeah, so I want to continue from where I left off yesterday. Yesterday I put up the Christmas trees, and today I just want to continue with the decorations inside the house. I put up all of my trees, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead to continue all of my decorations, and then I'm going to put up my Christmas tree as well. So yeah, fun day. It looks like it's going to rain. I don't know if I'm the one picking up the boys today or my husband is going to do that, but either way, let's get cracking before it's time. Before I do that, I have some products to review, so please come along. Let's see what we can unbox before the day is over. I have these two products to review. These were sent to me by my friends over at, and yeah, so I have a VCA jewelry here and a Prada bag. Let's open the jewelry first. So it comes with a carry-on bag, and everything always comes with a certificate of authenticity, so you can always verify what you're getting. I love the packaging, you guys. So there are a number of colors to choose from. I think there was a red, black, green, gold. This one particularly stands out because obviously it's versatile. You can wear it to anything, and it also comes in silver as well. It's giving luxury. They carry you along like every step of the way, so you know like where your package is. And when they sent me like pictures from quality control, the bracelet looked small. I was like, are you sure it's my size? Is it gonna fit me? And they were like, yes, it is. It's your size, like it's the standard size, and it fits like a glove. Anyway, you guys, onto the bag. Like I said, everything always comes in a dust bag. You get a carry-on, you get the ribbon as well, you get your certificate of authenticity, you get your certificate of authenticity just in case you're looking to resell, or, and like I say, you guys, this thing is sort of an investment because you can always resell and get your money. So yeah, packaging is always immaculate. I mean, it comes really well packed. There you go. By the way, you guys, this is a bucket bag, and I got this in the color burgundy because I don't know, burgundy has just been calling out to me this past few days. I absolutely love it. It also has a long strap in there. You also get a keychain as well, and the long strap. So yeah, definitely going to be rocking this both ways. It's a really cute bag. Like, you guys know what to do. The link to their website will be in the description box below. Please go ahead and click on it. Use my discount code to shop. I've given you some amazing discounts. Get yourself some Christmas gifts or whatever season you're watching this video. Get yourself some amazing gifts for a fraction of the cost. You know how much these things are on the other side. Let's leave it as that. You guys, that is it for the segment of the video. Alright, so let's quickly run through our Bible study for today. In today's reading, we are looking at Luke chapter 11. From verse 1 to 4, we see where Jesus gives the Lord's Prayer when his disciples ask Jesus to teach them how to pray. And from verse 5 to 13, we also see where Jesus gives a parable of the persistent friend, which is a story of two men, one with his family sleeping at night, and a friend who's knocking at the door. And Jesus just gives that parable to
connote how persistent we are to be in the place of prayer. From verse 14 to 23, we see where Jesus is accused of using demonic powers, cast out demons, when the Pharisees get suspicious of, Jesus' authority and how he uses them to cleanse people from evil spirits. And then we see from verse 24 to 26 how the return of the unclean spirits, the effect it has on men. And Jesus wants that when demons leave a person, that when you are not filling yourself with the word and you're not constantly in a place where you are nourishing your spirit, that you're always worse off, because the evil spirit always returns with several demons worse than it. We also see from verse 27 to 28 where a woman blesses Jesus's mother, and then from verse 29 down to 32 we see Jesus rebuke the crowd demanding for signs, saying that we are a sign-seeking generation, which is really not different from what is the reality in today's contemporary world. And then we see from verse 33 to 36 how Jesus talks about the lamp of the body, where your eye is your lamp. We also see from verse 37 to 54 where Jesus talks about woes to the Pharisees and the teachers of the law. He said so many things about them. He said that they love to clean the outside but neglect the inside. He was basically referring to those who just loved titles and public honor, and just saying that, they are more of an eye service kind of person, saying that, they pay more attention to high service than really serving. Now, I'm not even surprised to find out that this chapter ends with all of these religious leaders plotting against Jesus. What stood out for you in today's reading? Please let me know in the comment section. As usual, I love to hear and interact with you and your views on today's reading. Let's carry on with the vlog.
You guys, it's been a long day, a very long day. So I have just made dinner and we had wraps for dinner. I don't even know what to call it, whether shawarma or burrito. I don't know what to call it, but I know there was chicken, there was sausage, and there was cheese and some kind of sauce in there. And yeah, we just had that with malt, and that was dinner, because I kind of come and stress myself. It was the easiest thing I could make tonight. I'm already tapped out for the night because I just want to go to bed early. My husband is going to get the boys ready for bed. And yes, you guys, today you will not believe that when I went out to admire the work that I did yesterday with all these Christmas lights, the wind had taken down all my Christmas lights, but most of it, and the rest of it was literally just hanging on, and I'm wondering what exactly is going on. But the wind was really strong today. I was really tempted to just pack everything and bring it back inside, but I found a way to make it work. I brought the ladder back and I just tried to make it work, so it's all still hanging up there. Plus I got my Christmas tree up. Finally my Christmas tree is up, and it's still the same one. It's still my same old rugged Christmas tree. I was hoping to change it this year, but I really can't be bothered because it's only up for a couple of days, barely up to a month, and it's down again. So yeah, I don't think I want to invest in another Christmas tree, even though I really don't like what it looks like. But at least it's up. Plus I'm not spending Christmas in my own house, so I think that is why I'm really not bothered. Anyway, what other updates is there? Anyway, you guys, yeah, I will show you what the Christmas tree looks like tomorrow morning or in the afternoon whenever I pick up this vlog. Yes, I'm on my way to bed. It's been a really long day and I still have my bracelet on, you guys. It's still looking really nice. I get why people keep this thing on, because it's so light. It fits like a glove, so you really do not feel like you're wearing anything. I'm definitely getting it in more colors because it's really nice. Plus my nails are giving, like they're giving bridal nails. It's really nice. Plus when I say I did this nail myself, you guys know that I got it from Shein, right, already done up. So all I had to do was just buff my nails and prep them for the nails, and I just stuck them on
and they look so natural. Like if I didn't tell you that these are acrylic, you wouldn't know. Anyway, I'm sure I'll find one or two things to do, even though I say I'm tired, before I go to bed. Because once I get into this bed, ideas normally do occur. Ideas normally do occur to me. I've even had to cancel all my meetings tonight because I just want to sleep. Really, I really just want to sleep. Just well to click on the subscribe button if you like what you see so far. And we're always eager to welcome new people. So if you're new, you are welcome in the name of the Lord. Seriously, you guys, you are welcome. You guys, Vlogmas is starting on Monday. I don't know if I'm ready. I really don't know if I'm ready, but Vlogmas is officially starting. As a matter of fact, I have so much backlog that I think I'm going to have to be doing it before and after, because I really don't know what I'm going to do with all the backlog that I have. I'm probably just going to insert like a before and after, like with every day of Vlogmas until I am all caught up. Anyway, you guys, I will see you in the course of the vlog or in subsequent vlogs. It is time for me to tap out and, just try to just rest and, get myself back, because I don't think I've stopped moving ever since we moved into this house, which is quite hectic because it's been over a month now, and I feel like every single day has just been filled with one challenge or another. I would definitely make a full video talking about, some of the things that my eye have seen with this new house. Now I finally get why I see so many videos talking about new builds and some of the unexpected things that people encountered. I get it now, because if I didn't have this experience, I probably would not understand, and I would just think it's just one of those videos people make. But there's a lot. There's really a lot. I think I'm excited for Vlogmas, even though the stress of editing is always something that I really try to avoid, but there's no avoiding it. Vlogmas comes with its own thing, but yeah, it's quite rewarding to see and interact with everyone every single day. Yeah, and also get real-time feedback. It's really, really good. I love it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who keeps coming back to watch Vlogmas every single day. You guys are the real deals, and you guys make it all worth it. Honestly, Vlogmas is really not easy, and to keep churning out content every single day is a lot of work, but you guys make it absolutely worth it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on day 12.